mga kadonatics, viral ngayon ang dalawang videos na nag-leak. At bakit nag-leak? Ewan ko, baka propaganda nila or God's providence. Dito sa video na ito mga kadonatics, malalaman mo, maririnig mo, makikita mo na totoo pala yung sinabi ni Inday Sara Duterte na dalawa lang ang may hawak ng pera ng taong bayan. Si Zaldico at si Romualdez. At ang iyong bangag na Pangulo, pipirma na lang. Sa video na to makita mo mga kadonatics kung gaano minanipula ng dalawang tao na to ang ating AFP sa pamamagitan ng pera. Para bang puppeteer na kinokontrol yung galaw mo? Pero dito, ginagamitan nila ng pera. Nako mga kadonatics. Kaya pala, blinded sila at wala silang ginawa, walang imik nung inaresto si Tatay Digong. Sila pa ang mismo andun. Kasi nga, tinalian na sila ng pera. Ngayon mga kadonatics, as a president and a chief commander, it is your job to increase the salary of the AFP. Hindi katulad ni Tatay Digong nung dinoble niya ang sahod ng PNP. It was through media. Public conference yun. Pero dito, iba mag-increase sila. Private conversation. Nako. Panoorin na lang natin mga kadonatics.
Hi. Yeah. How are you?
Magandang hapon. Okay naman po sir. Thank you. Thank you sir.
Yeah.
Magandang po kami lahat, yes.
We have good news. Kinito ko sa iyo kanina. We just finished signing the bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. Pasok yung sinabi ko sa iyo when we meet last week sa Misibis.
Opo sir.
Okay, naipasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAB. Now, naipasok ulit namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total yung buong 350 pesos na...
Can I take a video of you sir?
Sure.
Okay. Yes sir, I can show it to the staff sir as the personnel when I talk to them next on the 14th on the Saturday sir. Thank you.
No problem. Yes, maganda yan malaman ng mga staff na we are taking care as per instruction by our speaker, instruction by the president. Maganda yan na malaman ikaw sa Solcom. You have to malaman ng mga troops natin. And actually we'll see you on Friday. Are you coming sa Dadating ka ba sa Friday?
Sir.
Oh, December 13.
Yes, sir.
Doon din ang formal natin.
Opo sir, sa evening na siguro sir.
Evening. Kung dadating si speaker. Speaker kami ulit na dalawa. So, we'll inform you on that. So, hopefully, ma-approve ngayon sa plenary for ratification yung pinirma ng BICAM. Sa Senate, they will also approve it also this afternoon. Para yung 7.5 na nare-receive ng CAPCO, magkakaroon sila more or less dagdag na 10,500. So that's more than double of their salary.
Yes sir.
So please, okay, na-inform din namin kanina si Chief Browner, but I want to inform you mismo diretso. Kasi tayo nag-usap ng sa Misibis and we announce it that na we'll make sure na an additional of 8 billion on the BICAM. Thank God na we're successful tayo na naipasok natin ito sa kasundaluhan. So please inform our soldiers na natuloy and na then the president will approve the budget more or less December 20. So once approved yan, starting next year, meron ng allocation ng ating mga kasundaluhan ng 350 pesos a day na subsistence allowance.
Maraming salamat po sir. Makakarating po sir. I'll show the video to all our staff.
Is it not weird, no? Tingnan nyo, bakit i-private call talaga? Usually, ina-announce yan in public na ganito, dinagdagan ng allowance yung AFP natin. Bakit? Bakit tinawagan talaga na personal talaga? What do you think, mga kadonatics? Ibang connection yan pagtatawagan mo in private. Ang laki ng utang ng loob ng AFP sa mga tao na yan. Private talaga. Ganon kami ka-special para mahawakan nila sa leeg yung AFP. Ganon yun, mga kadonatics. Kailan pa nangyari ng ganito na private call yung pag-increase ng allowance? Ha! Let's go.
And mga sundalo po dito sa Solcom, sir.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Thank you for your service. Kami here to support the AFP, the milkmen in uniform. So, yung mga black propaganda dyan na we are close with the left, hindi totoo yan, no? Gawa-gawa nila yan para lang, alam mo na, yung mga budol-budol dyan. So, anyway, that's it. We're successful and thank God na tuloy to. Yeah.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you
Sir,
rin.
do you have, can we request a short Christmas message sa ating mga tao, sir, sa mga personnel natin, ng mga tropa?
Oh, yeah, sure. To all our soldiers in the ground, you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Dahil dito sa subsistence allowance, this would be the legacy of the BBM administration under the leadership of the House Speaker Martin Romualdez. And we appreciate your service to the nation. Lahat na tulong ninyo sa pagdepensa sa ating bansa, sa ating sovereignty, sa ating peace and order. Kinikilala po ng leadership ng House of Representatives Speaker Martin Romualdez ang inyong tulong sa ating mga kababayan, sa ating buong bansa. Kaya kami nagpapasalamat, and we know matagal na itong badly needed, but we just heard it last August kay Chief Browner na kung pwede may pasok. So right there and then hinabol natin to sa HGAB, then now additional of another 8 billion, naging 16 billion. So again, congratulations sa inyong lahat, and hopefully sumaya ang inyong Pasko and sumaya ang inyong New Year, and hopefully the life of each soldier will have an improvement. Thank you.
Definitely, sir. Sir, maraming salamat po, sir. Stay
Thank
safe,
you.
sir.
Thank
At
you.
Merry Christmas din po, sir, from your family dito sa Southern Luzon.
Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
See you.
Papa, sir.
Bye.
Ayun, kuha na ang loob ng AFP. Diba? Grabe. Bakit ganun magpasalamat? Parang yung pera galing sa kanila talaga. What? Maraming salamat. Anong klase to? Tayo lang ang niloloko, mga kadanatics. Promise, kung walang video na to, hindi mapapatunayan yung sabi ni Inday Sara Duterte na sila lang dalawa ang may hawak ng budget ng Pilipinas. Totoong tuota talaga. 8 billion? Ganon lang ipinasok? Wow. Grabe. Oh no. That is so sad. This one, another video, mga kadonatics, na nalik. Ewan ko kung bakit nalik to. I'm still thinking about it. Kung ano talaga yung dahilan. O plano ba nila? Or ewan ko. Basta, panoorin na lang natin. Pero dito malalaman mo talaga na, ay nako, dalawa lang talaga sila. Let's go.
As we committed, I'm here with our chair or APRO and our APRO bicameral members.
Hi, Chief Romy.
Please kindly convey to the entire AFP, to our men and women in uniform,
Magsalita, parang sa
that
kanya yung
as we
pera.
committed, that the subsistence daily allowance from 150 to 350 has not only been affirmed but has been approved and is being signed right now. We will ratify the bicameral report this afternoon. So please tell that regardless of whatever doubt, whatever they heard, that's all fake news. Basta nagsalita tayo when we speak. I as a speaker in the House, when we speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority, sir. Please tell the men and women in the AFP, top priority po kayo. And we are fully committed to support all of you and to keep your morale high and to always take care of you. Please convey that. Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Okay. So that is signed here in the BICAM. It will be ratified tonight in the plenary. We will ratify the budget on Wednesday, and the President will sign it into law. That is as good as gold. So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we had committed in Zambales to you and to the troops. Mabuhay, 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 mabuhay. We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th at Aguinaldo. Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yes. More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them.
Yes, sir.
We assure them more for next year as well. Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. Salamat po. Salamat.
Thank you.
Sir, salamat. Thank you.
Bakit mo tatawagan pa isa-isa? Ha? I-declare mo na, ha? Through social media, ha? Public conference, na eto, dinagdagan ng allowance. Bakit mo tatawagan si Browner, tatawagan yung si Lieutenant? For what? Well, dito makikita mo talaga mga kadonatics, no? Na hawak talaga nilang AFP. Hindi dahil sa maganda yung ginawa ng AFP, kundi mga kadonatics, pera. Pinamudmud ng pera. Ay, nako, nako. Iba talaga yung administrasyon ngayon. Halos lahat ngayon ng agency, palpak. Huhulihin nila lahat ng mga fake news. Pero yung PNP spokesperson nila na sa Jean Fajardo, sabi niya, nasa 240 rallies daw lahat-lahat all over Philippines. Pero, tansya niya, nasa mga 60,000 lang daw yung mga tao. Napakalaking fake news yun mga kadonatics. Dapat hulihin niya yung sarili niya. The same spokesperson na nagsabi mga kadonatics na okay lang yung magdroga sa mga taong makakatulog sa trabaho. What the heck? What happened to the Philippines now? Wala na akong naririnig ng mga good news. Always na lang, kapalpakan. Kaya kung manahimik kami, kung walang magsasalita, hanggang comment section na lang tayo. Hindi tayo pakikinggan. Limited yung reach natin. Anyway, mga kadonatics, maraming salamat. And of course, mga kadonatics, kung napaparami ka na ng mga videos natin, at hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, baka ngayon makasubscribe ka na. Bye-bye.